Now start question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends, with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. Figure is given. Now in question, length, total length is now to find the solution. Length is given 5 centimeter. Total length is 5 centimeter and diameter is given 2.8 centimeter. Diameter is given 2.8 centimeter. Now to find the radius of this figure, then the radius of this cylinder as well as hemisphere, then radius of cylinder equal to, suppose this is denoted by R, radius of cylinder equal to radius of hemisphere is 2.8 centimeter upon 2, that is 1.4 centimeter. Therefore this radius is 1.4 centimeter. Now to find the length of cylindrical part, here this is 1.4 centimeter, this is also 1.4 centimeter. Therefore the length of the cylindrical part is length of cylindrical part. Suppose this is denoted by L, otherwise H. As is total length is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter minus 2 into 1.4 centimeter. 1.4 is here, 1.4 is here. So that is 5 centimeter minus 2.8 centimeter, that is 2.2 centimeter. This is the length of cylindrical part. Now in question, at first to find the volume of one gulab jamun. Volume of one gulab jamun equal to, this gulab jamun contain cylindrical part and two hemispherical part. Volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere, but here one hemisphere is this and one is this. These are two hemispheres. It means the volume of hemisphere multiplied by 2. It means this is the required volume of one gulab jamun. Now to write the formula, volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus 2 into volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now pi r square is common, h plus 2 to the 4 upon 3 r. Now substitute the value pi 22 upon 7, r is 1.4 centimeter square is here, h is 2.2 centimeter plus 4 upon 3, r is 1.4 centimeter. 22 upon 7 into 1.4 into 1.4. Here LCM is 3. 3 multiplied is 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6 point is here, plus 4 multiplied this, that is 5.6 centimeter is common, and square centimeter is here, that is cubic centimeter, equal to 22 upon 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into adding this one, that is 12 upon 2 upon 3 cubic centimeter. This 7 divide this 1.4 0.2 times. Now to find the, that is 22 multiply 1.4 multiply 0.2 multiply 12.2 upon 3 cubic centimeter. If 22 multiply 1.4 multiply 0.2 multiply 12.2, that is 75.152 cubic centimeter upon 3. This 3 divide this, that is 25.05 cubic centimeter approximately. Now this is the volume of 1 gulab jamun. Then the volume of 45 gulab jamun equal to 45 multiplied by 25.05 cubic centimeter. If this 45 multiplied by 25.05, that is 1127.25 cubic centimeter. So this is the volume of 45 gulab jamun. Now volume of syrup, according to question, that is 30% of given volume 1127.25 cubic centimeter. 30 upon 100 into 1127.25 cubic centimeter. 0 cut. This 3 multiplies this one, that is 3,381.75 cubic centimeter upon 10. Now this 10 divide this one, so that is 338.175 cubic centimeter. Now to find the volume approximately. So this is that is equal to 338 cubic centimeter approximately. Approximately. So this is the required volume of the syrup.